What's up, what's up, what's up? Hey everybody, thanks so much for tuning into Young Money Investments. This is going to be the recap video for the previous video that I just filmed. That one is about 20 minutes long. This one is going to be super short and simple. So I wanted to cover a couple of the main points from the last video for those of you that don't have a whole lot of time. If you don't have a whole lot of time for investing and you can't watch a 20-minute video, you probably don't care that much about investing. Just gonna say it, just gonna be honest, but that's okay. I wanna give you the Reader's Digest version because I do know for myself, sometimes I don't have enough time in the day to watch a 20-minute video at a specific time, but I do wanna see the YouTubers' new videos. So I'm starting this little idea of doing a recap video. So the things that I covered in the last video were, first, I talked about portfolio diversification, what it means to split up and diversify your portfolio. As you know, I like to long-term invest as well as swing trade. I do some day trading as well, but I use a hybrid strategy. I'm kind of a hybrid trader in the sense that I'm not just swing trading or I'm not just long-term investing. I'm mixing it up. I'm using whatever works best for me in the current moment and what I see value in. So the way I do it with my portfolio, I've gotten a couple of questions from subscribers that wanted to know, how is my portfolio broken up and how is it diversified? Usually I have about a 65-35 split right now with my portfolio, 65% being long-term investments, 35% being short-term investments. Doesn't mean that the amount of money is split up 65-35. I didn't really do a check of how much money is in my swing trades, how much money is in my long-term investments. I would say it's pretty close, within 10% of that 35-65 split. I would say I probably have more like a 45% swing trade position, 55% long-term position as far as capital goes. As far as positions, like I said, 35-65 is kind of the ratio that I'm going with there. I see the value in being diversified that way because being that I am 26, I have a lot of time to grow my account. Same thing with probably most of y'all that are watching my videos right now. With that being said, I like long-term because you can hold these positions for like I said, for a while. If your swing trade doesn't work out, you can hold these good companies for a longer term. I think that's basically it. That's the main thing I wanted to go over. In my other video, I did some things where I showed off chart patterns. I showed you kind of some support resistance, where I see some value in specific companies. L Brands is a good long-term buy that could potentially turn into a swing trade if it has a nice pop. I see value in that. So if you're looking to get into a position right now, L Brands I think is very good. Cirrus Logic is going to be a long-term hold. I see probably the next 1.5 to 2 years is what I'm going to need to hold Cirrus Logic. I don't have as much money as I would probably like to put in there, but I just don't have enough money as I would like to have in general. That's why I'm selling right now. That's why I work. That's why I have other jobs. So, and on that topic, I'm down here in Louisiana. That's the reason for the new set. That's the reason for the new tan, all that good stuff. So I also, forgive me for not filming enough videos. I'm going to try to be better. It's just very difficult with everything that I have going on right now. My computer is about to die. I just wanted to say that real quick for y'all. If there's anything you had other questions about, I'm trying to remember if there's anything big that I needed to cover from the other video. That's about it. If you have anything you want to have more in-depth knowledge on, I have some more stock picks and different things like that in the 20-minute video. Please check that out, and if you have not subscribed or hit that like button, please hit those as well. Thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.